If smoothies are among your favorite meals, you'll simply love this white Tesla blender. It is now so easy to make delicious smoothies any time of day, all while preserving the healthy ingredients your body needs. With a 500-watt motor, this device is powerful enough to blend all the fruits and vegetables you like. You can easily customize the texture of your smoothie with 2 different speed levels, depending on whether you prefer a juicy or a creamy structure. The extra pulse feature additionally helps with the mixing of ingredients. This blender is also quite easy to use, thanks to the rubber feet. It won't move during operation or while you're removing the bowl. When it comes to cleaning, you can simply wash the bowl in the dishwasher. Whatever you decide to blend, be sure to add a little fun to the mix.